Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm at Hershey Park with my sister and my parents and my mom. My mom, my dad, my dog isn't here, but I'm here.
Guys, I used to be a kiss, but now I'm a Reese's Pieces. Now I'm so tall that I'm a Reese's Pieces.
If you haven't been to Hershey Park, there are levels of chocolate of what you can be, and it includes how tall you are. I'm a chocolate bar.
And I'm a Reese's Pieces.
She's a Reese's Pieces. She's a Reese's Pieces. So we're here now, and I'm going to show you guys something. I really want cotton candy. The last time I came here, I got cotton candy. They're marshmallows.
Tell me what you got.
I got this pineapple cotton candy, which I wanted, and the top is really cool because you spin it, kind of looks like a spiral.
How's it taste?
And
I haven't tried it yet. I haven't even
What'd you get, Jill?
I got Twizzlers, onions, some pumpkin. And this is a
We're sharing the Twizzlers. We're definitely sharing the Twizzlers. And then we have, over here, we have a bag of like chocolates and stuff. We have like a Hershey Kiss, then like Reese's Pieces. Now I don't know what this is, so we're gonna open this. Okay, so finally I open.
It popped off, guys.
It popped off. Okay, now I'm not gonna go like box. I'm gonna take it one by one. This is the Reese's. And they're really yummy. They're mini Reese's. Mom, you can have those because.
Wait, Mommy, is it okay if I have some?
It looks like a Hershey bar with nuts in it.
Mr. Good Bar.
Mr. Good Bar. So then I'm gonna take that out. We have this Carmelo. Milk chocolate and cream caramel. So that seems really good. I'm definitely trying this later. Oh, you want to get that out? Okay.
So guys, this is a giant chocolate kiss.
That seems really good.
And it has, this is a chocolate bar, a giant
Hershey's bar, I think.
and it's ginormous.
Golden.
So I kind of want to open this because I really don't know what it is because all it says is this. So I want to open it and see what it is. So
Yeah, and it's ginormous.
Maybe there's a golden ticket in there.
maybe. Maybe it has something to do with like the chocolate factory because it says golden. It has to be something golden. So I finally opened that. There's a piece of plastic on it. Oh, whoa.
Whoa. Guys, but now it's medium.
Yeah, let's open this.
Yeah, open one of them.
Here, let's only open one of them.
Let me see the front. It's on the front.
It says the same thing that it says on the box. Top.
It's like
box.
gold.
So let's
How
open
many?
it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
There's 5 of them.
gold.
So it looks like it has nuts in it, because as you can see on the back, it has like this little bumps. So those are nuts. So we're right. Okay. Nice and really good. Comment down below if you like almonds in your chocolate.
And milk chocolate.
I do.
And I do.
I do. He does. My dad does too. Okay, so we just went to the water park, and my hair is wet. My hair is still wet. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then there's the 2 slides, and then there's like the mushroom. So now we're getting on
close the door.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey goodness starts right here with your fresh milk. Say it, guys! It's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling every day when you're making chocolate that Hershey way. You can taste the love.
Factory, everybody!
Oh, there's a lot of stuff outside.
Hi, my name is Alice. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces of cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into dips of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is proof that makes Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweet milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, we go to form this delicious little mix that we call chocolate flow.
Smells good, right, Joe?
Yeah. Oh my god, it smells so good!
Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection just by adding milk?
Oh, that looks so good.
Our Hershey's authenticity go hand in hand, smooth as silk.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy
don't want to get juicy today.
We feed the chocolate foam through
That is
steel
so
rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody. These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Oh yeah, we saw that.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dog bar.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has
Well,
a
obviously.
favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Hershey Kisses. Hershey Kissy.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone.
I am.
Bye.
Everybody say Hershey's. 2, 1.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Okay, so we just got out of the ride, and we just got candy. And go. Really good. Just smells good. And that was really fun. So I think we're gonna now look for candy for like home and stuff. So see you guys in a minute.
What? You do? After the chocolate tour, I think. It's gotta be one of them.
Okay, so I actually decided to film inside because I haven't paid for it yet, but I have my Reese's sweatshirt on, and my sister's down here. We're gonna go get her one, and I got a new water bottle. We are going all and we're getting something for my babysitter. My new water bottle. There's Hershey's on it, so I'm definitely gonna use that. And I think that's really all we've got so far because we're trying to find something for my babysitter. We got 2 things for my dad's work. Probably gonna go by. It's probably gonna be eaten in like 3 minutes. Because everyone goes in the kitchen. It's a bunch of Kit Kats. And it is actually, there are these Kit Kats.
Make these like a factory here.
want to show you the Kit Kats. They're like giant tubs of just like
I'm not.
Kit Kats. And then, whoa, what is that? And that's really it. You guys, outside? No.
Alright, no water bottles.
See you guys. That is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys.